Hey guys, I got some compacted soil here. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do, try to do to fix this. All right, so this is the north trench of the north bed. And here's where I'd run beans, sometimes cucumbers. I've actually run sweet potatoes in there. But that's had permatil, Calman, all kinds of stuff. That's been amended many times. And so is this end. But this end keeps compacting on me. So what I'm doing, I'm using some daikon radish, these folk right here. Well, actually that's white icicle. And then I'm using some watermelon. They both get good depth on them. So I'm just scattershotting it in there. And then I'll take that cultivator rake and I'll mix it all up. And then I'll cover it with some decaying leaf, maybe a little compost. It's not to harvest, is to try to break that soil up, pull it, chop the greens off, put them back in the soil, cover it with some compost to try to get it healthier. It's not completely unhealthy, it's just not as good as it could be. That's the plan anyway. Peace.